Hi guys, my name is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this nice angled wing liner, and I see a lot of people getting scared of doing this wing liner or are not doing it correctly. So I'll be sharing some tips, tricks and hacks which will really help you in achieving this wing liner in the easiest way. Trust me, it's not that difficult to achieve this. So you'll see that in the video. So keep watching the video till the end, because I'll keep sharing my tips with you all. And also, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started, guys. So the product that I'll be using is this gel liner from Maybelline. If you're not comfortable using a gel liner, then you can go ahead and use a pen liner like this. This one is from Kat Von D. And now there are some liquid liners also available with these thin bristles, so you can use those also. So this one is from Shampoo, but however I'm most comfortable with gel liners, and that is why I prefer using those. With the gel liner, of course, you need an eyeliner brush. So the brush that I'm using today is from Sigma. This one is number E05. This is how it looks. I'm taking my eyeliner brush and just dipping it in the product. Now, in case if you end up taking excess product, wipe your brush once so that your bristles are still thin and you don't have a lump on your bristles. Once you've taken the product into your brush, make sure you close the cap of this, because this product gets dried very fast. Gel liners have that tendency of getting dried. So you can rest your pinky finger here on your cheeks like this, so that helps in making your hands more stable to create a liner. And then you can just stretch your skin from here. So the wing needs to start from here, from where this lower lash line is ending, and the angle should be like this, like going towards your eyebrow. Very light lines. So if you're not able to do this step, you can take a tape and just stick it here. Make sure you create the right angle. That is very important. And now I'll just start with creating a line first here. Your inner corner should be very thin. So this is what you have to do. I have just created a very normal liner. Now I will just draw a line here. Like this. Now we'll be joining this part to our liner which we created earlier. So you join this point to your liner here, and then just keep filling it in. Also, I would suggest start with a thin liner, because in case if you end up spoiling it, you can always make it a little more thicker. So always start with a very thin liner. If you're not comfortable with a brush like this, there are brushes available with thinner bristles. So I would suggest go for something like this. This is a nice eyeliner brush with really thin bristles. If you are a beginner, I would suggest just rest your hand on the table and then do it. Then your hands are more stable that way. Let me remove it and see how it looks. Right. We still need to take care of this here. This is not filled properly, so we need to take care of this, and then we will make this liner even more sharper. See guys, it was so easy to create this with the help of a tape. but trust me, with practice you won't even need the tape. I don't use the tape at all. It's just that in this video I just wanted to show it how you can, easily achieve this wing liner. Also, let's go on to another tip that I want to share with you all. In case if you end up spoiling anything in your liner, for example, let me just spoil it deliberately and then correct it, then you'll have a better understanding. So for example, suppose I take my wing too long here, and of course this is not looking nice. So in case if you want to correct that, then you take a Q-tip, take some micellar water, and now with the help of this Q-tip, just clean it. That's it. It was so easy to clean it with the help of a Q-tip. I do this all the time because as I said, I don't use a tape. So now another tip to make your eyeliner look more sharper and neater, you can simply take a concealer brush like this and just take a little bit of concealer or foundation. Now apply it here on the edges here. Well, I already have a base here. I usually do my foundation and makeup, the face makeup, only after my eye makeup, and I would suggest you all to do the same. That ways you don't end up spoiling your face makeup. Alright, now so I'll quickly go on the other side and do my liner. And so this look is something that goes with all kind of outfits. When I'm confused about my eye makeup, this is something that I usually do, like a wing liner with red lipstick or a nude lipstick. So this is my all-time favorite. So don't get scared to put a wing liner. Use these tips and tricks that I've shared in this video, and this will be really helpful for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.